Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I have got a beautiful design that can be for the holidays and Christmas, or it can just be set up and changed and altered throughout the year. So those who want something very nice, elegant, a little bit informal, something with a twist, let me share what I'm going to do for my place, for my table this Christmas. I have this lovely glass dish. Don't even ask me, oops, it's not very clean. Don't even ask me why I bought this. Yes, I remember I had succulents in it. It's been a beautiful vase. It's been sitting in the bunker. Bunker's had a big tidy up and I unearthed all sorts of things. So that is going to be our base. The next thing to go in there is going to be the candelabra. This is for those who wanted candles and flowers for Christmas, but it's got a twist. So now I have this lovely base. I have these holly picks or Christmas picks, and what I'm going to do with those is I'm just going to, I've only got 3 of them. Oh no, I've got 4. I'm just going to twist those to form like a wreath. If I could have been bothered, I could have just got a wreath and put that into there. But I'm into wasting not, wanting not. And I'm looking at how to come up with really stimulating ideas so that you guys don't have to spend a lot of time buying more stuff and you can utilize what you've got. So I'm sure these here have been in a box at my house for years and I'm seeing them everywhere as we lead up to decorating for the holidays. Okay, so far so good, I'm loving it. Let's bring in some cones. Just put the cones in any which way, hiding up your bits down the bottom. So these here, all I did with these is I just dipped them actually into a little bit of paint and put a little bit of glitter onto them just to give a little bit of a sparkle, because Christmas is about sparkle, isn't it? But there's also a lot of you out there who have asked for not too much Christmas. So hopefully I can satisfy those desires. So I've just put those into there and I've got these lovely little darling white cones that I've had for years and years and years. And all I'm going to do with these is I'm just going to stick those down and into the container. Now, if you wanted this for something else throughout the year, what could be really beautiful is to just put some ivy into there, wrap that with ivy, and then you could bring the ivy up and through to the candelabra. But I find that this is a really great way of providing a little bit of height, a little bit of visual interest, and you really didn't have to go to too much effort. Now I've got this little holly pick here with the little berries on it. I'm just going to put those down into there like resting on the top. That one can go over to there. I don't actually want to, and I like that you can look down and into the container, and if there's little branches that you can still see, just drop your cones down. Okay, and I've got one piece of holly. Oh, put it in. Why not? Just put it in. And I will go around later and just make sure that that's all neat and tidy. Now, the next thing I wanted to do is I've got the white cones down there. I've got the white candelabra, and I thought what could be very nice is I've got some string here, and I put into the ends of the little cones just a little wee eyelet, and then I've strung those up with some this lovely little leaf which I've had for years and years and years, and it started off like white, and then I put just a little bit of silver on it to give some veins and some little bells, and they can just hang around there. And the reason for this is because I want to bring the candelabra, as I said, down into the arrangement. Okay, where are we now? And then I'm going to bring that one up and into there, and that, could we go around here and do, oh no, hold on. Put that down and into there, and I've got one more, so I'm just going to bring that into there. So now I've got, it looks like a tree and it's just so gorgeous. I absolutely love it. And then I found these that I did last year, and I thought, oh, they're still too beautiful not to be using. So I'm just going to put that into there. I've only got 2, so I'll put one on that side and one into there. So now I've got this gorgeous little scene that tells me that the holidays and Christmas is nearly here. Now, on the top here, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. One moment till I take this to a new level with fresh flowers in with the Christmas. One moment. And right-ho, I've got some beautiful hydrangeas from my garden and this gorgeous, gorgeous little alstroemeria. It is so sweet and it's the perfect colours for Christmas. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Okay, so, and I did this arrangement a long time ago with the water vials filled with water, or little test tubes filled with water that I'm just going to stick into here. Have to be make sure that they do go down and into the cups of the candelabras. And the reason why I haven't got all of those candles into there is because it's just too bright to have all of the candles going. Now I'm just going to push that down and into there, right. And I've got one left, so I'm just going to, oh no, that won't fit into there, so I'm not even going to bother. Now, getting the flowers. Taking all the foliage off. You don't want foliage that's going beneath the water level. Oh, it just fell right down because I didn't make it long enough. So I think we could do something a little bit special here and we could have them just a little bit higher. And it's just a matter of putting your little flowers into the candelabra. I love it. And, you know, as I was saying, if you didn't want this for Christmas and you wanted to do something else with it through the year, if you had the ivy down the bottom, filled the base with water, you could actually have, let me just put this one on here. You could actually have the flowers that are up the top coming down to the base of your container, all right? I want you to go there. Oh, I love it. It's better than I thought. Isn't it always great when you've got something in your mind and you do it and then it just comes to fruition and it's better than what you imagined? I love that. That's true designing. It's the happiness that the flowers give you. But look at that. How cool is that? And I really do want to put more flowers into there. So I just jolly well am going to do it. Look at that. How easy is this? Oh, look, and I forgot that one there. Is this easy designing? It's stunning designing and it looks so good. Now, the other thing that I have to tell you before we go too far, flowers and candles. It's not a good thing. Fire hazards. So just be mindful when you're putting your flowers in that you don't go too high with them. But isn't that just gorgeous? I love it. Simple, elegant, a little bit informal. Perfect designing. And the other thing about this in the center of the table is you're not getting blocked. I can still see you through there. Perfect designing, easy designing. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed bringing it to you and I look forward to seeing you all again another day. And before I go, happy holidays, Merry Christmas from me.